Welcome to the Palm Beach County Water Utilities Department's How-To series, where we will show you how to set up auto debit for your accounts. To begin, go to pbcwater.com. Click on Access Your Account. On the next screen, you will need to type in your username and password. If you do not have one, follow the instructions on the How to Register video. Once you log in, navigate to the menu on the left side of the page. Click on Sign Up and Update Auto Debit Info. You will need the account holder's name, bank routing number, account number, and account type to complete your auto debit setup. Once you verify your banking information, you will receive a confirmation email to your email address on file. Keep in mind that it will take approximately 1 to 2 billing cycles, which is about 30 to 60 days for auto debit to take effect. Please continue to submit payment to your account until your statement reflects that auto debit has taken effect. You can also set up your auto debit accounts by completing the form found on pbcwater.com and following the instructions on there. Remember, you can update your accounts at any time. Don't forget to click log off after each online session.